Hello and welcome to class. In today's class, we'll be looking at linear inequalities. Now consider the question. Find the range of the values of x for which 2x plus 3 less than 5 open bracket x minus 3 close the bracket. Now to solve this question, 2x plus 3 less than 5 open bracket x minus 3. I would have 2x plus 3 less than, I'm going to distribute this 5 to all the terms in the bracket in order to clear the bracket. Therefore, 5 times x gives 5x, 5 times minus 3 gives minus 15. Now from here, I'll proceed and collect like terms. In collecting like terms, I'm going to move all the terms of x to the left hand side. Therefore, I have 2x minus 5x less than minus 15 minus 3. 2x minus 5x is minus 3x less than minus 15 minus 3 is minus 18. Now, I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 3. Now, anytime you are dividing or multiplying both sides of an inequality by a negative number, ensure you reverse the inequality sign in order to keep the statement true. Therefore, if I divide both sides by negative 3 now, I'm going to have x is greater than 6. Therefore, the answer is C. Take note of the fact that I reversed the sign because I divided both sides of the inequality by a negative number, which is minus 3. Now let's look at another question. If 5 is added to x, the result is greater than 14. Find the range of the values. Now, if 5 is added to x, the result is greater than 14. Therefore, to get the range of values of x, I'm going to collect like terms. This then becomes x is greater than 14 minus 5. Therefore, x is greater than 14 minus 5 is 9. Therefore, x is greater than 9. So I want you to try out this activity. Find the values of x which satisfies the inequality 3x minus 3 less than 7, and then solve 4 minus 5x greater than 19, and write your answers in the comment section.